We never get this much snow down here in southwest Missouri and northwest Arkansas area. But we did get quite the week of snow and cold, and man, we have all been suffering this week. But I did hear that the Glory Hole is frozen over, and my friend posted a screenshot of someone's Instagram, and I've never hiked it, and it looks so awesome frozen. So we're gonna hope that it's still frozen. It's warming up today. Yesterday was like the first day in 2 weeks that it was over freezing. Well, it was just got to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So we just are not prepared for that much cold down here, let me just say. But it's really rare to see like this much snow and everything, so I think it's just gonna be such a fun hike. It's supposed to get into the 40s today. We wanted to get an earlier head start, but you know, we just had a long week, so we ended up sleeping in a little bit. We're gonna grab some food from one of my favorite brunch places, First Watch. They have an awesome seasonal menu right now that is just, oh man, the drinks especially, I can't wait to show you. It's like lemonade, lavender, flower pea tea, or butterfly pea tea or something. Packed a lunch today to make while we're out. It's gonna be pretty easy. We're not actually camping tonight because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and be kind of cold, so we were like, we'll just do a day trip and it'll be fun, and get home in time to go to church tomorrow. So yeah, so excited to take you along today.
We're Em and Cy, and we can't wait to take you along on our adventures while we're searching for Squatchy. It was a really hard week for everyone in the South, but seeing this frozen waterfall made me remember that God still makes beauty in hard seasons.
Well, the hike was awesome, and I loved seeing the frozen waterfall, and it was totally worth every slippery step to hike there. And now we're just making some lunch at Arkansas's Grand Canyon in Jasper. I'm making some Indian food. It's already pre-cooked, so I just had to heat it up a little bit. And Sai's making some coffee, and I have a special little dessert treat since it's not that far away from Valentine's Day. So yeah.